Here is how to create funnels on Looker Studio with bar charts. So I will go to insert and I will set column chart and I will paste it right here. I will use the same query in the past with GA4 data. The dimension will be event name and the metric will be event count. So here we have our funnel in a vertical view. Go to styling and make it horizontal. The next change I want to do is I want to show the data labels. So I will go to show data labels and I will make these numbers compact because I want to see the values of every stage of my funnel. The next step is changing the color of the bar. So instead of blue, I will make it purple and I will change the width of these bars. I will make them thinner. Now, the next step is I want to remove the grid lines of this chart. So I will go to grid line color, I will make it transparent, and I will copy and paste this. And pay attention to this. I will copy this bar chart, and the only thing I need to do is I go to reverse x-axis direction. So I duplicate the same bar chart, but in a different direction. And here is how you can draw and visualize a funnel with bar charts on Looker Studio. You can see I'm so happy because it is dumb, like cheating, but it actually works. So see you in the next video on creating funnels on Looker Studio.